Hi, Kani.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm very well. So, tell us about yourself. This is Jeenager Biz. Okay, we talk about finance. So, just as this is Kani.
So my name is
She's
Kani
okay.
Afewe, and I'm an agri-business consultant. I set up farms and I train people. I'm a mushroom expert, and alongside, I'm also an FX investor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why we're here. So, please tell us about this space before we get into our video today. I know that this is a co-working
Yes, the
space.
Abuja office is a co-working space located in the heart of Abuja, Gariki, Gimbia Street, Area 11. You're very familiar with it. And we have different compartments. We have our private offices and our daily office use, which goes for as low as 1,000 naira a day. That's really affordable. At least we're able to help startups that can't afford proper office space, so at least one an office space where they operate from. And we also have packages for virtual office. So, in case your company is in Abuja and you're thinking of branching off, so this is like a good place to start.
Okay. About Forex today. Okay, so we want to talk about. So, I know you have a lot of experience and.
Oh, well, I have some experience in that area. It all started during the lockdown, yeah.
Okay.
Some of us are used to getting a lot. And during that lockdown, it was quite. We all know how that time felt.
Yeah.
Money wasn't coming in. I had to shut down the office. Yeah, we're making money from farms, but movement wasn't flexible. So not like I could go to the farm every day, except for the workers that were already there. So they were the ones managing everything that was on ground. And then there was really no movement to even move our produce to the market and all of that. So it wasn't easy. So we all needed an extra stream of income. And then we realized even the stream of income we had, lockdown did affect them. But then I thought, FX, people are still making money. And I had a couple of friends that were in the FX, they were trading. So I had to reach out to them. How far did they affect the market? They say, no, they're making money. I said, it's okay. How do we make money together? And then they told me, okay, X and X and X is what you do. You invest for this period of time, and this is the percentage you get also for this period of time. And well, okay, let's give it a shot. So I took a risk with my house rent. Yeah, I wasn't scared because I was like, if it goes, would recoup. If it comes, it's a win, So I tried it, but I had to split. Like, okay, this goes for this goes for this. So I did that the first month. The turnout was good. So like, wow, it's a go. We did it again, and it's been like that over and over and over, and it's been good. But then the irony of it is, the market is now saturated. Like, you have everyone wanting to go into it, everyone, so as much as there are a lot of people wanting to invest, there are also a lot of people claiming they can trade. So the saturation is from both ends.
How do you FX comes?
Truth is, it's hard to identify, but then once the return of percent is high, you have to be worried. Because it's not like they go anywhere and they just pick the money and pay you. Do you understand? There are days trade is good, there are days trade is bad. So imagine yourself that, okay, for the days the trade is bad, how do they manage the risk and are able to pay you? Then for the days trade is good, we all know, but that doesn't work like that every day. And even for the traders, they need time and time and time to become experts themselves, to become very good and be able to maneuver all the things that goes down there. So ironically, you can't just see someone and say this person is a scam or this person won't. Well, time of conversation, but then it's hard to even meet your trader one-on-one, because maybe there's a platform, you go online, you sign up, so you may not be able to even tell who is exactly. So that's another area. But then I always advise people to learn. If you can trade, if you have the time, you have the passion for it, why not learn? Instead of leaving your money in the hands of someone.
How long would it take for somebody to learn how to trade Forex?
Give and take. Like the Abuja office here now, there's an FX training that goes on here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's also a platform for online training for those that are not in Abuja. But if you're in Abuja and you have the time, why not? I always advise people to come learn, so you see who is teaching you and you can communicate. So you can also get that effect online.
How long does it take for someone to learn how to trade Forex?
give and take a period of 3 to 6 months with full dedication. Yeah,
That's
3 to 6 months.
practicing.
Yeah, while you're learning, you're practicing.
If you were to advise somebody, because a lot of people who are going to be watching this video, I can bet that they are searching for how to trade Forex in Nigeria.
Seriously.
Yes, how to avoid Forex scams in Nigeria. I know that
Yeah.
people are searching for those kind of things. What advice will you tell to somebody who is searching for information on, okay, these are things to look out for? Like, first of all, anybody that is watching, you can first of all join the training school. Let me put it that way.
Yeah.
That's like the first thing, first of all. But before people come for the training school, just talk to us and give your advice on getting started with putting your money in investment.
Okay, now when it has to do with putting your money in investment, first, don't put in all you have. Let it be a 50-50, like, okay, I'm putting in this money. If I lose, if I gain it back, yeah, that's one. And secondly, now you may meet a good trader or a good investment platform that is genuine and they are new. You may also meet a good one that have been existing. Same way you may meet a bad one that is either new or that have been existing. They may have started well, but over time priorities change, greed comes in, and then they start losing focus. And then be worried for investors or investment platforms that don't have a benchmark. That never tell you. Okay, they never tell you we are fully subscribed, or we can't take more, or we can't take X and X, or they don't give you clause. They're just open every time, any day to collect your money. Be worried for them.
Be worried for them.
Yeah. You know, because now these people, they'll collect your money. When they now get stuck, they'll collect from other people to pay you, and collect from other people to pay other people. You know, so like rob Peter to pay Paul. You know, so it's more like a pyramid scheme. They just keep turning and all. Yeah. But if you have a structure where you stumble upon a structure, a system where they tell you, okay, X and X period of time we're fully booked, or we are not open, or we can't take this, you know, for some reason, like they're security conscious, they're safety conscious, you know, they have they are good with risks management. They're not just into collect your money, you know, and then you go and sleep, and tomorrow they tell you stories, or they change their office address, or you know, whatever. So, and for me, it all boils down to your mindset and your instincts. Your instinct should tell you, I should give it a try, or no, I shouldn't. And then feel free to ask questions. If you stumble upon one, ask people, have you heard about these people? Do you know about them? What is your experience with them? I won't mention names of anyone right now, but there are some I've stumbled upon, and I had to ask people, and they were like, no, I had they were delaying payment, or I had they this, I had that. Okay, let me sit back and watch. Or they say, oh yeah, I did with them and they paid me at the end of this. Like, okay, let me try. At least before it gets to your turn, they may still be surviving. You know, you never can tell. So, but there's really no direct thing to say, okay, this is how to identify, or this is how not to identify. But the major thing is have a positive mindset and then work with your tuition. Don't go in with the mindset of I want to get rich quick. That's when you stumble upon the ones that will tell you, promise you heaven and earth, and at the end
somebody who
fail
wants
you.
to come for the training, what should the person expect?
Okay,
And
basically,
how can they contact?
Okay, so is there a way we could put my contacts here?
Yes.
Or my email?
Yes.
Maybe they send me email. I think that'll be better, so I don't get too many calls.
Okay.
Yeah. So, well, what we do first is we try to create like a free session.
Okay.
So this free session opens you up to what you stand to expect, what you benefit at the end of it, and what you should be able to do at the end of the training.
Okay.
So that free session prepares you for the main class.
For the main class.
Yeah.
Okay, so is it like a live call? Do they come to your office?
Yeah, for those in Abuja that don't mind coming together, yes, they can. But for those far away, you know, we organize an online session for them. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Kani.
Yeah, thank you.
So just say please subscribe to this channel.
Oh yes, sure. You have to subscribe to this channel because right now we're giving you some information for free. So, and there are more information that awaits you really. You know, we're cooking up a whole lot of nice things that you'd benefit from. See
Bye.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you.